On 3rd September 2025, we had the honor of conducting an awareness and preparation workshop for the Drug Inspector examination under the banner of MSPC-DIC at Amrutvahini Institute of Pharmacy, Sangamner. The workshop turned out to be a remarkable success, with nearly 80 pharmacy students participating enthusiastically. The primary aim of the session was to create awareness about the Drug Inspector exam and guide students with the right preparation strategy. During the workshop, students were introduced to the eligibility criteria, syllabus, exam structure, and subject-wise preparation plan. Key topics like the importance of NCERT basics, the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940 and Rules 1945, and exam-focused study methods were explained in detail. The session remained highly interactive, with students asking questions, clearing doubts, and actively engaging throughout. To further support their preparation, we shared free resources such as ePDF notes, past year question papers, the exam advertisements, and MCQ practice test details. This ensured that the students left the session not only motivated but also equipped with practical tools to begin their preparation journey effectively. I would like to sincerely thank Principal Dr. Manoj Shirbhate Sir and his committed team at Amrutvahini Institute of Pharmacy for their excellent hospitality, staying arrangements, and flawless event organization. Their support and leadership played a vital role in the smooth execution of this workshop. This event is not just a one-time initiative but part of a bigger mission. Through such awareness programs, structured courses, and test series, we aim to empower pharmacy students and prepare them for success in the prestigious Drug Inspector examination. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to MSPC-DIC for providing this valuable platform, and to all the bright students of Amrutvahini College whose energy and enthusiasm made the workshop truly memorable.